are you going to?
Can you press 2 for me?
Okay.
Thank you.
All right, have a good day. These are the elevators at the Embassy Suites Hotel by the Gateway Shopping Center in Austin, Texas. Here we are up at 6. Now let's go back down to 1. Let's look out that window again. Oh, much stock going down. Around there, there's no swan. There used to be swans there, but they're gone. Here we are back at 1. There's the other one. Let's go take this back up to 6. And we'll watch the numbers. Door close does not work. There used to be a Schindler label down there. We are back at 6. And we'll take this back down to 1. Now let's get a cab view. For a Embassy Suites hotel elevator, it's not that bad. These are the fixtures. That's the floor indicator. Definitely much nicer than other Schindler MTs I've been on. The phone is stuck. Let's watch the button go out. We are back at 1. Okay. That door kind of sucks. Also, the indicator doesn't light up. There it goes. And Jesus Christ, look at that. The fire service thing has been taken out. And there's one of them coming down. And that's the elevator we just rode. That's it.